Hey guys, it's me Kimberly. This is how we go from drab to fab. The challenge in this space was to create a beautiful, cozy, informal seating area right in front of the television in a basement. Initially, when we were looking at the floor plans, we were thinking sofas on both sides of the TV parallel, but that's not good for viewing. So what we did was a sectional with an end chaise, which is 92 inches long. It has a little bit of a cutout there and a back so we can get extra seating, where a regular chaise is only around 70 inches long and it just has an arm with no back. This way we can get at least 5-6 people there. A carpet to ground the space with a nice big coffee table in stainless steel, and then a stainless steel console on that side wall just for some interest. For the cover of the sofa, we've used a stain and spill repellent fabric, which means that you can just drop coffee on it and it spills right off. It's absolutely amazing and incredible, especially for high traffic spaces where you're going to eat and drink. For accessories, it really made this space. So we did pillows, down-filled, beautiful, custom made on the sofa. On the coffee table, we did a tray that has like a leather finish to it with 2 handles, 2 candle holders that look like stone, and then a set of bookends. Then on the console, we did a beautiful piece of art that was long and slender because we didn't have a bulkhead up above, so we wanted something to elongate the space, with a lamp on the left, 2 jars lidded on the right, and flowers in the center. And this is all we needed to make this space go from drab to fab. I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Watch our videos and we'll show you how we take our projects to the next level. If you have a space that you would like to get done, don't forget to sign up for our free design program.